Hello, this is Lockpicking Nerd, and the lock I have for you today is this medium-sized padlock. These locks have been around for a while now, and it's actually a 30 years old Soviet design that is used today. Surprisingly, these locks are still in production, and actually I bought this one new, with a set of keys and a fancy box. It has a crude iron body and a hardened steel shackle. You can read hardened, written here in Russian. As for the core, this lock has a standard pin tumbler core with a Yale-style keyway, and it's surprisingly small core. I have keys for this lock. These are also small. If you look at the key, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. 5 pins inside this core. And the bitting is not very good, but not very bad either. I'm still surprised by the size of the core of this lock and of the keys for this lock. I can show you that the key works. I can feel the tolerances here are not very good, and overall build quality is not perfect. This lock has a very strong spring for the shackle. This lock is not shimmable, because the locking part turns with the core, and there are no springs. But if you pull out the key when the lock is unlocked, you cannot lock it back without a key. Well, we will lock this lock back up and try to pick it open and see how secure is it. I will use my homemade pick made out of a steel ruler and my tension wrench. I'll try to position the lock the way that you can see it on camera. Pin 1 is binding, I think. Oops. Not yet. Nothing on pin 1, pin 2, pin 3 is, 1, 2, pin 3, no, nothing, pin 4 is binding, click out of 4, pin 5, nothing on pin 5, back to the beginning, pin 1 is binding, click out of 1, pin 3 is binding, dropped some pins, rechecking, pin 1, pin 2, not yet, pin 3, pin 4, click out of 4, and yeah, and now we got it open. Wow. Actually, it was surprisingly easy, so let's try to pick it one more time, just to see that it was not an accident. Applying some tension. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Let me position it a little bit easier. Yeah, the same procedure, and we got this lock open as fast as for the first time. I'm wondering why they still use this design, and this lock actually is not very cheap. If you compare it to other Russian locks, this one is in the middle price-wise, but it offers no security at all, as I can say. And I have questions to the mechanical construction of this lock. I will show you one more time that the key still works. I will not gut it, because I don't think there will be some kind of interesting pins here or any security mechanisms other than the simple pin tumbler core. As for today, that's all I have for you on this iron body Soviet padlock. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them in comments. Have a good evening, stay safe, and see you in the next video.